What if I told you that you could get access to $100,000 in business funding in the next 6 months, often at 0% interest, without having a 20-year-old company or millions of dollars in revenue? It's not only possible, but it's predictable. I've used this exact system to go from a struggling veteran to a multimillionaire, and I've helped over 2,500 entrepreneurs, business owners, and investors secure more than $95 million in funding using these same steps. Now, the biggest reason most businesses fail isn't a bad idea, it's lack of capital. They can't fund marketing, they can't hire help, they can't survive a slow month. They get trapped, and that's where the dream dies. This video is your key to unlocking that trap. We're not just fixing your finances here, we're building a financial fortress that gives you access to the capital you need to build your empire. And I'm giving you the complete 6-month blueprint. You're going to learn how to build a bulletproof personal credit profile that makes banks want to lend to you. You're going to see the exact legal and financial structure your businesses need to be seen as a fundable entity separate from you personally. And you're going to discover the credit stacking strategy that allows you to maximize approvals and secure 6 figures in 0% credit lines. If you're new to the channel, my name is Colin and I read Rich Dad Poor Dad when I was just 13 years old and became obsessed with credit and finance. I even followed in Robert Kiyosaki's footsteps, and I enlisted in the Marine Corps at 18 years old, where I witnessed firsthand exactly what Rich Dad Poor Dad's book warned us about. They don't teach financial education in school. The Marines to my left and right were defaulting on cars and credit cards, so I got certified in credit repair to help them fix their credit. And I make these videos to help you win in the game of finance. Now, your journey to $100,000 in funding starts right here, right now. The first 60 days are super critical, so let's build your foundation. Before we can even talk about business credit, we have to master your personal credit. Why? Because in the beginning, you are the business and you don't need money to start. You just need the right profile. Your personal credit score is the golden ticket that gets you through the door with banks and getting access to business funding. Lenders don't just look at your score, they look at your behavior. I once found a $10 medical bill on my own report that wasn't even mine, and it dropped my score by 40 plus points. And just one phone call later, I was able to get it removed. But that experience taught me something very powerful. Never assume your credit report's accurate. We get on the phone with people all the time that tell us, oh yeah, I've got a 770 score. Then we pull it and they have a 640. A lot of people don't even know. And so here's what I tell every client. First, pull your 3 bureau credit report, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Don't rely on free apps like Credit Karma. They tend to just be inaccurate, right? Use a full report so you can see exactly what lenders are going to see as well. Then print it, highlight it, study it, know it in and out. Look for late pays, high utilization, the age of your accounts, the mix of credit types, and any recent hard inquiries. Write down your target score, 730 or higher, and commit to hitting it. That's the level that unlocks top tier approvals and low interest funding. And if you'd rather skip the grind and have my team fix your credit for you or get you access to business funding, click the link in the description and the pinned comment to learn more about our white glove credit repair and funding services. Now, once you've got your battle map, it's time to go on the offense. Credit repair and optimization, the fastest way to raise your credit score. Most people sit around waiting 7 years for bad marks to fall off. We don't wait. We use the law. It's called the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and it is your secret weapon. This law says everything on your credit report must be 100% accurate, verifiable, and timely. And if it's not, you have the right to demand its removal via disputes. So we challenge every negative item to prove its legitimacy. And a debt collector reports a balance, for example, they have to prove that you own it. If a late payment shows up, they have to prove the exact date and the amount. And most of the time, they can't or they won't, and the item gets deleted. Then clean up the little stuff. Wrong addresses, old employer, accounts that aren't yours. Send your disputes via certified mail so there's actually a paper trail. Next, write goodwill letters for isolated late payments, and then focus on your utilization. Keep that below 30%, ideally below 9%. You could pay them down, request limit increases, or consolidate all your credit card debt on an installment loan for an instant score increase. And above all, set up autopay on every single account. It takes 2 minutes, and it can save you years of credit repair and recovery. Now, with your personal credit sharpened, it's time to build your business, the vehicle that's going to get you to the funding. To get serious business funding, you need to operate as a professional fundable legal entity. Start with an LLC. It's a sweet spot for 99% of entrepreneurs. It protects your personal assets, and banks love lending to LLCs. You can file it online through your Secretary of State website or through busy.com. It takes less than 10 minutes to do. Next, choose a fundable business name. Avoid risky words like real estate, credit, funding, or investments or trucking. Go with something neutral like Apex Holdings, Consulting, Ventures, or Management. You can always get a DBA later for the brand name that you want to roll with. Then choose a low risk industry code, your NAS code. That code can literally make or break whether or not you're going to get denied or approved. For example, residential property managers is way safer than real estate investing. Once you got that done, get your EIN for free in under 10 minutes from irs.gov. Take your LLC papers, your EIN, and your driver's license to a bank like Chase and open your business bank account, and we're ready to get funded. Now your business is legit, you've got structure, you've got protection and credibility. It's time for the grand finale, the credit stacking strategy that pulls it all together. Credit stacking is how we strategically apply for multiple lines of credit in a specific order so that banks can't see each other's inquiries and you walk away with six figures and approvals. Here's how it works. Not every bank pulls from the same credit bureau. Chase pulls from Experian typically, Bank of America tends to pull from TransUnion, and Truist tends to pull from Equifax. By applying for each of them within 2 to 4 weeks or so, none of them can see each other's hard inquiries. You appear to every bank as a low-risk borrower, and you have better odds of getting approved. So a real-world example, one day I actually went over to Chase, applied with them, got a hard pull on Experian, and was approved for a $20,000 card. That same afternoon, I went over to Truist Bank and got approved for another $20,000 card with an Equifax pull. About 2 days later, I went ahead and applied with Bank of America with a TransUnion pull and got approved for two $18,000 credit cards. If each bank gives you about 20 or 25,000, after just 3 or 4, you're already at 100K in 0% interest for 12 to 18 months. That's the power of credit stacking. You've built the foundation, you've optimized your credit, you've structured your business, and you've even secured your capital now. But here's the question most people never ask. Now that you've got access to 100K in 0% funding, what do you do with it? How do you turn that credit into cash flow instead of just creating debt? How do you buy income producing assets like real estate, cash flowing businesses, or even automated passive income machines that pay you every single month? Remember, funding without a plan is just debt, but funding with a plan is capital. So watch this next video where I'm going to show you exactly how to use your newly secured funding to buy income producing real estate and start building true financial freedom.